Hi, hello and welcome to a new video. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to do the taping method and stretching your ears. I really like the taping method because it's an easy and safe way to stretch your ears because you gradually stretch them using tape. And the recommended tape, the one that everyone recommends and says that you should use, is the PTFE tape or Teflon. Oop, a car.
Quiet, please. No need to shout. No need to yell.
PTFE tape, because it's non-sticky, it's yeah, it's pretty simple to use and it's very thin and it's easy to use. It can be kind of hard when you're wrapping it around the tunnel, which I'm gonna show you how to do in a minute. I've already had like 4 rounds of tape around the tunnel. I started a month ago and I gradually stretched 1 round of tape at a time every week. Yeah, so today we're gonna do 5 rounds of PTFE tape.
Oh.
So here's the plug. I'm thinking we're gonna try with my bad ear first. So we're gonna just get the tape ready. When we see that it looks like 5 rounds of tape. Yeah, this looks promising. Okay, and then we need scissors. You can tear it off just with your bare hands, but I find scissors to work a bit better. Okay, we have tunnel tape, and then we'll just wrap the tape around the tunnel carefully. Let's see, yeah, and I have, okay, 1 round. And whoa, come on, 2 rounds. And just wrap it around tightly. 3, yeah, we're at 3 now. 3, and wow, I think this is, well, no, I think this is 4 rounds of tape. 4.5, almost 5. We can just grab a little bit of tape, and there we go, 5. So there we have the plug with 5 rounds of PTFE tape. Let's grab some jojoba oil. This is the Lowell jojoba oil, 100% natural, winner of some sort of award, and I think it's cold pressed, it's vegan, cruelty free, and yeah, I really like this jojoba oil. My ears like it as well. Let's just massage the ear. We're gonna do this for about 10 minutes. I did massage it for 5 minutes before I started recording. So 5 minutes to go.
A few minutes later.
The thing with stretching with PTFE tape is that it can be kind of drying. Not as drying as electrical tape or ordinary tape. Never use those types of tapes for stretching. Always use PTFE or bondage tape, which I think is the same material. Just lather your ear in jojoba oil, get as much there as possible, because PTFE tape can be kind of hard to get in. Let's put some jojoba oil on the tunnel too, on the tape. Just a little bit so it will be lubed up. You can never have too much jojoba oil, am I right? Okay, let's go. Yeah, and it's in. Okay, so I have the second tunnel ready. I've taped it up. 5 rounds. Left cross. Massage my right ear, my bad ear for a couple of minutes. I also massaged this one for 5 minutes before I started recording. Ready to go. I put some jojoba oil on the tunnel as well. Let's put some more. Whoa, let's go. And it's in.
I am finished.
I'm gonna put the O-ring on the back of it. Just gonna wipe the jojoba oil off my fingers. It's good for skin, but it can be very sticky or kinda annoying. So that was a taping method, or how I do the taping method. Yeah, jojoba oil is key.
It's spelled jojoba.
It's pronounced jojoba.
But you know, there are also other oils that works. I've heard emu oil works, and e-oil, is that what it's called? And you know those ointments that most bodymod shops sell, the vitamin ointments. I really like jojoba oil. The PTFE tape isn't expensive at all. I think it's like maybe $2 in your local hardware store, or you can buy them online. I think most bodymod websites also sell PTFE tape. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it and want more bodymod content and more scratching videos. I've been scratching for a while now. I think I'm approaching my 3rd anniversary, I think. Time flies when your ears are in pain. Just kidding, they shouldn't be in pain if then you're scratching them wrong. Haha, brunch. And I haven't done any mistakes in my scratching journey. Haha. Ha ha ha. Cut the cameras.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.